Good morning, welcome back. I'm at Carboot. It's quite a sunny day. It's been a bit damp overnight, so I'm not sure how that's going to affect it, but it looks fairly busy. So yeah, I'm going to try and find some books. Maybe some other stuff today as well. I feel in the mood for picking up some other stuff. Christmas is coming up, so I might see what I can get that might sell at Christmas. Right, let's go.
Thank you.
What are your books, please?
So, Charlotte Books.
About 50p.
50p.
Okay, thank you.
Even the ones in a bundle?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
50p per book.
50p per book,
Oh,
right,
50p
okay.
per book.
Yeah,
So
makes sense.
is that alright?
Yeah, it's fine.
That's how you browse away.
Okay, thank you.
Dad,
Yeah.
change for 50p.
50p right here. Change for 50p.
Unless it
Oops.
or if it's Oh yeah, that was all it.
We've got stuff in the car. We might have some of the little stuff. We might have got
Right, I'll take those,
Right,
please.
Cool, so what we got there?
That's well, there's 22, so
22 to an mess is absolutely useless.
that's 11 quid.
Is it 11 quid?
Yeah.
They say a tenner.
Lovely, thank you
Say
very
a
much.
tenner.
That's what I was going to ask you. Had it.
That's all right.
Thank you.
£10 for you, sir.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
That's all right. Thank you.
Oh,
Cheers, mate.
lovely, thank you.
Niche, yeah.
It's pretty niche, yeah.
No, not well. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, it does need to.
Oh yeah, it's a
tick
yeah, I
both
made
boxes.
that. Brilliant child catch.
Brilliant child. I didn't realise you'd made that. Hadn't
En fait, j'ai pas dit correctement. En fait, c'est handmade.
Ah oui. That's it. Cost.
Is it? Oh, that's a shame.
What can you sell that for? You need at least somebody knows what they're doing.
Yeah, right. Well, clothes can go.
Take that one, please.
Thank you.
Lovely, thank you.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
How much is that, please?
£2 for the whole set. They're
Okay.
brand new.
Thank you. Actually, how much are the audiobook ones?
They're £2 each, or you can have the whole lot for £5.
Okay.
There's a lovely set there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take those then. Just keep looking.
Got all the lovely horrible histories and they haven't even been opened.
No, okay. I should take them, I think, please.
Okay,
That's
darling.
7, yeah.
Lovely.
Might have a look at the books over there, but
It's knowing what. Thank you, sweetheart.
thank you.
Thank you for doing that.
That's okay. Thank you. How much are they, please?
£2. Giving up coaching football with boys from the union.
No, right, okay.
That's as long as you're paying that one. Just don't touch it.
Right, okay. What's that?
So they'll never be used.
Yeah, no, you can tell, yeah. Take 6 for the 4. Yeah. There we go.
Cheers, young
Lovely.
man.
Thank you very much.
Does it do something, or does it just?
No, it's just a figure for one of the games that the kids like playing.
Oh,
Lovely. There you go.
thanks very much.
Yeah.
How much is the ink, please?
£1.
Thank you. And how much are your books as well, please?
Yeah, well, 50p or £1.
Okay.
Little one's 50, big one's £1.
How much is your fridge?
£2?
It works.
It does, yeah.
150.
Yeah, perfect.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you. How much e-books, please?
50p.
Thank you. You do the 3 for £1?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Lovely.
Lovely,
Thank you.
It's all working, the lava lamp.
Okay. How much do you want for it, please?
£2.
Yeah, go on, £2, please. I'll leave that. That's lovely. Thank you. Sorry. So how much are your rollerblades, please?
£4.
4, okay. We do 3 on the blades.
£3.50?
Yeah, go on down, please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh right, perhaps it popped out somewhere. I'll have a look for it.
Well, I did look around to see if it fell on the floor when I up it there.
Jane.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Do you £2 for those?
How much were they? Yes.
£2. Thank you. I'll do that, thank you. How much are your books, please?
50p.
Thank you.
I've got 2 books there. Okay, thank you very much.
We do 3 for £1. So that one's a bit battered. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely. Thank you.
We're saying 50p a book, but
Okay.
£1 for those.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Right, that wasn't too bad. Not sure how much footage I got. I think a couple of times I forgot to put the camera on, so apologies. But yeah, I picked up quite a lot of books, quite a lot of other stuff as well. As I said, I very fancied a few bits that I know will probably do well at Christmas. So yes, let's get it in the car. So yes, you may, I'm not sure what you saw. So yes, load of books. That first store I think I pretty much went to got a load of books that were all new and sealed, so they will hopefully do well. But yeah, a load of other bits as well, which I just just felt in the mood for. So I've got a couple of penny boards which I've not ever picked up before. I've picked up a few lightsabers, but my thinking is I remember a couple of years ago I sold some around Halloween and they flew out. So yeah, Halloween coming up, I thought could be a good option for those. What else did I get? I've got some football boots because again it's coming to football season. And a couple of pairs of trainers, a pair of shoes which I had a quick look up to see if they're worth much. I don't really know, but the design on them was like skeletons and stuff like that, and again I thought with Halloween coming up could be good. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with what I picked up. I just try and price it sensibly and not price it too high, and get it out the door as quick as I can. Right, I'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed that. It's something a bit different from my usual just books, so a bit of variety just to sort of mix it up for me as much as anyone else. So yes, I shall leave another Carboot video up here somewhere. Hopefully that will be of interest to you if you've not watched it already. I'll go for one of my sort of older ones from the last couple of years or something, because you can see how bad I was then. You think I'm bad now. You think how bad I was. Yeah, I've got better, weirdly. So but thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thumbs up please, comments below if you there's anything that I missed please, and I'll see you next video. Thank you, bye bye.